Know your property rights like this guy, folks. Check out this video, go subscribe to the channel, then check out my words at the end.
Wait, why are you recording? This is going down. Kurt. Kurt. You really got to recording it? We're going to get on light.
Step off my property, sir. Please step off my property, sir. Please step off my property, sir. I haven't committed a crime. Step off my property.
I have nothing to do with that. Okay? I have nothing to do with that.
I haven't committed a crime. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk.
Don't come over here. I know that, I'm just saying, but he's been there recording me.
Got your camera? Come on.
That is so crazy. Okay. That's stupid.
Threaten me. Okay.
All right, pay attention. You guys are going to like this. There's a community out there of folks who like to go out and record and ask questions of your public officials. And I got to tell you, this is one of the only activist communities that I've ever seen that really, it doesn't matter if you lean left or right or whatever your political ideology is or anything like that. This is the first community that I've seen that I think both sides can agree that we need to know our rights. And it's the simplicity of knowing and understanding your natural rights. So what are your natural rights? There's a constitution that was written to protect those natural rights, and it's under the First Amendment. You have freedom of religion, freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom to assemble, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Know and understand your rights. Take a look at First Amendment auditing videos. Try to distinguish which are the good channels from the bad ones. Try to support the good channels and try to follow this community. And I really appreciate you guys. Like I said, it doesn't matter if you lean left or right. In this community, we move forward. Thank you, guys.